Hey everyone! Thanks so much for visiting our YouTube channel. Yeah, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Hi there! I'm Emma. I just walked in and saw all these beautiful things. How's your day going so far?
Oh, hi, Emma. I'm Sarah. My day's been pretty good, thanks. A bit busy with new stock coming in, but that's always fun. How about you? You look like you're exploring.
Yeah, I'm doing okay. I'm visiting from Canada, actually. First time in the USA, and I'm loving it. The weather's so nice today. Sunny, but not too hot. Makes walking around shops like this perfect.
Canada, huh? That's cool. I've got a family up in Toronto. What brings you down here? Vacation? And yeah, the weather's been great this week. No rain for once.
Yep, vacation. I needed a break from work. I'm a teacher back home, and summer's my time to travel. This shop caught my eye from the street. It looks so cozy. Do you own it?
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's my little place. Been running it for about 5 years now. We sell handmade stuff mostly bags, jewelry, scarves, all from local artists. Makes it special, you know? No big chain store vibes here.
Handmade? That's awesome. I love supporting local makers. Back in Canada, I try to buy from small shops too. It feels better than big malls.
Exactly. It's all about the stories behind the items. Each piece has a bit of heart in it. Feel free to look around. If you see something you like, just ask.
Okay, thanks. These bags look really nice. Hmm, this leather one here, it's so soft. What's the story with this?
Oh, that's one of my favorites. It's handmade by a guy named Tom down in Texas. He uses real leather, dyes it himself. This one's a shoulder bag, perfect for everyday use. Roomy inside, but not too bulky.
Wow, it feels high quality. I need a new bag for my trips. My old one is falling apart after years of use. It's been through airports, hikes, everything.
Sounds like it deserves a retirement. This one could be a good replacement. It's durable. Tom tests them out on his own adventures. He's a big hiker, too.
Oh, it looks good on me. Comfortable too. How much is it?
Let's see. It's priced at $120, but hey, since it's handmade, it's worth every penny. No mass production here.
Huh. $120. That's a bit steep for my budget right now. I'm trying to save for more travel spots on this trip. Is there any wiggle room on the price? Maybe a little discount for a first-time visitor?
Oh, bargaining, are we? I like your style, Emma. Well, I don't usually drop prices much because the artists get a fair cut. But tell me more. Why this bag? Maybe we can work something out.
Yeah, I figured I'd try. Back home, we haggle at markets sometimes. This bag just feels right. It's the color. That beet brown reminds me of the forests where I grew up. My mom used to take me hiking there, and we'd pack picnics in old leather bags like this. Brings back good memories.
That's sweet. Stories like that make me love my job. Okay, how about this? I can do $110. That's knocking off 10 bucks. Fair?
$110 is better, but still a stretch. I'm on a tight budget with hotels and food. What if we meet in the middle? Say $100. I'd buy it right now and tell all my friends back home about your shop.
$100, huh? You're a tough negotiator. Let me think. Tom might not love it, but you're nice, and I like supporting teachers. My sister's one too. All right, $105? That's my best.
$105? Close, but what about $95? Come on, Sarah, make my day. I promise to take good care of it and maybe even post a photo online tagging your shop.
Oh man, you're good at this. Tagging the shop? That's smart marketing. Okay, fine. $100 it is, but only because you're from Canada and remind me of my cousin up there. Deal?
Yes, deal. Thank you so much, Sarah. You're the best. This made my trip even better.
No problem. Happy to help. Now, while I ring this up, tell me more about your travels. Where else are you going?
Oh, after here, I'm heading to New York City. Can't wait to see the big city lights. But this little shop stop was a highlight already. You know, bargaining like this reminds me of when I was a kid. My dad would take me to flea markets and he'd always haggle for the fun of it. Even if it was just $1 off, he'd celebrate like he won the lottery.
That's hilarious. My dad was the same. He'd bargain over everything, even at garage sales. Never pay full price, he'd say. Here you go. Totals $100 even.
Thanks. And yeah, it's a good life lesson. Makes shopping more fun too, not just grab and go.
Totally. In big stores, it's all fixed prices. Boring. Here, it's personal. Hey, before you go, want a tip? There's a great coffee shop down the street. Perfect for your next adventure.
Ooh, yes, I'll check it out.
Thanks again, Sarah. This was fun. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you too, Emma. Safe travels. Come back anytime.
Oh, one more thing. What's the best way to care for this leather? I want it to last.
Good question. Just wipe it with a soft cloth if it gets dirty. Avoid water. And maybe some leather conditioner once a year. It'll age nicely.
Got it. Thanks. So, that was my little adventure bargaining for this beautiful bag.
Yeah, and from my side, listening to customers makes the day better. Bargaining isn't always about the money, it's about the chat.